Hello friends, welcome to today's video, whichever day this is going up, I'm not sure. I have a new mold. It's from the same company that I have the butterfly for, and what was the other one? Oh my gosh, my brain is farting. There was the butterfly, I don't know. I'll have those listed in the iCard, the other two videos that I have from their molds. I really enjoy their molds. They're from Amazon. So I wanted to try this Seahorse, and as you can see, it is absolutely massive as far as lengthwise. So let me see. I want to say it's like 8 inches tall. Yeah, it's about 8 inches tall. So that's exciting. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with this mold, or what I wanted to, you know, what colors or anything like that. I was originally thinking of doing kind of like a beachy thing where I have like sand down here, right? And then the blue with the white throughout it. I'm just not sure how that would look, because typically when you're doing a beachy pour, the side that you're looking at as you pour it is the finished side. So I'm still not quite sure what I want to do with this. I was kind of thinking about dusting some mica powders in it to see how that looks, but I guess whatever you saw on the thumbnail is what I decided. So you actually know before I do. So could you help a sister out? Let me know what I decided. Anyway, so yeah, it's a very cute mold, very solid and stable. I'm quite happy with the quality of their molds so far. So hopefully this one, you know, ends up holding up like the other molds. But anyway, yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Let me go ahead and get the resin warmed up, figure out what the heck I want to do, and let's get started. All right, friends. Should we see how it turned out? I'm excited. Oh, cool. Wow. So yes, I did the holographic glitter for the eye and the, is it called a wing on a seahorse? Fin? Fin. Yes, Megan. They fly under the sea. The fin of the seahorse. And then I just did the, I think it was chameleon powders for the rest of the body. I think it turned out fantastic. It's still a little bit soft because it hasn't been 24 hours yet. As usual, I'm running late, but man, this is so pretty. Oh, dude, I love it. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Yeah. I don't know what you guys are thinking about it, but I freaking love it. I think it's so beautiful. I don't know what to do with it. I kind of want to hang it up on a wall as decoration. Is that weird? I wish that I had the same mold, but like reversed, so that way I could have two of them side by side. I think that would be kind of cute on a wall. But, yeah, I really, really like this one. I think it's very cute. And I also remembered the other one that I had is the turtle. How could I forget the turtle? From the same company. So, yeah, that's today's video. A super simple and easy one. But again, like these molds are really, really nice. They're very well made. And yeah, I really like this company. As always, everything's going to be listed down in the description box below. Apologies for my voice. I just woke up at 6:30 a.m. here on the East Coast. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thanks again so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Ooh, I should have done fantastic day. Anyway, take care.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
Clip, clap, clip, clap, clip, clap. Rawr. Clip, clap, clip, clap.